Hi, this is Mitch Milat with Riviera Financial Mortgage in Beverly Hills. Another day in the mortgage business. I want to let you know that I really appreciate you letting me assist you in getting the best mortgage financing for your home purchase or refinance. Also want to let you know that I keep an eye on the market and developments, and I'm always trying to keep you in front position so that you're ready to take advantage of any opportunity or have the best solutions to any problems that might arise. So with that in mind, I put this little informational message together. Please just take a moment to watch it. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with. Thank you so much.
One of the most important steps in shopping for a home is identifying the type of mortgage that you qualify for and is best for you. But if you live in an area where home prices are crazy high, then you may not qualify for the conforming loan limits. You may in fact need a jumbo home loan. It's important to understand the ins and outs of a jumbo loan. Let's begin with the basics. What is a jumbo loan? A jumbo loan, or jumbo mortgage, is a mortgage loan that exceeds the limit set by the Federal Housing Authority Agency, otherwise known as FHFA. Jumbo loans cannot be secured by the government-sponsored Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which makes them riskier loans for lenders. Fannie and Freddie set limits on how high the mortgage can be that they will purchase on the secondary market with their conforming loan limits. Each year, this loan limit is set. The new loan limits for 2021 is $510,400. So anything above that would be considered a jumbo loan. Anything below that is a conforming loan. Now, of course, you can get a little more complicated than that because there are several areas across the country, like in California, Hawaii, and Washington, that have what is called high balanced loan limits in high cost areas, where there's an interim level where you could choose to go conforming or jumbo. But let's just keep it simple and essentially say anything above $510,400 is a jumbo loan. Like conventional mortgages, you can get a jumbo loan in a variety of terms or repayment schedules, and they can be fixed or adjustable rate loans. However, jumbo loans work differently than conventional mortgages because they have stricter requirements than other types of mortgages, and you'll have to meet specific property types, down payment requirements, credit scores, and debt-to-income ratio requirements. Let's talk about down payment and how much down payment you actually need to qualify. In general, jumbo mortgages require more down payment than a conforming loan. It's common to see lenders require 20% down on jumbo loans for a single family home. They also require higher credit scores, lower debt-to-income ratios, and then generally the lender wants to see reserves, which is money left after closing. Reserves are required to show that you've got a couple of months of payments left in the bank. Your credit score is a major factor when it comes to getting a jumbo mortgage. You'll usually need a credit score of at least 700 to get a jumbo loan for $1 million and a 720 for jumbo loans between $1 million and $1.5 million. If you're going over $1.5 million, you'll probably need a 740. Your debt-to-income ratio is also a factor. You'll need a debt-to-income ratio between 40 to 45% in order to qualify on most jumbo programs. This is lower than the industry standard of 50% debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. When it comes to jumbo loans, the interest rates are typically higher than the standard conventional, and they have stricter qualifying guidelines. Whatever loan you are getting, there are always closing costs, which can range between 3% to 6% of your total home value. This can add up for a jumbo loan, so you want to be prepared to cover your closing costs in addition to your down payment. Jumbo qualifications typically are more stringent than with conforming loans. Your lender will want to see up to 2 years of W-2s, tax returns, and 1099s. The bottom line is that jumbo loans are out there, but you will need to be prepared to have more money down, have great credit and reserves, and be prepared to share share more income documentation. It's important to consider every requirement before you get a jumbo loan, but once you're ready to go, make sure you're working with a licensed mortgage lender who can help you navigate through all the details and into your dream home.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.